was just watching this and it skipped perfectly to do that. What the? What are you doing? Whoa. I was just watching this and it skipped perfectly to do that. What the fuck? What are you doing? What are you doing? All right, here we go. Let's watch it now. Yeah, then they got married, the end. All right, so let's just watch this. He's gonna be burning out, maybe grabbed a little traction right here, yoink, and hit a vehicle. So Ego having a fun time. Everyone's laughing at him.
But like, damn, bro. This is gonna be awkward as. Oh, no.
Oh, man. I'm not too worried about the Grom.
Oh.
Whatever, that's a cool piece to break. But I'd be concerned about this. Hey, look at no damage. Oh, a little bit. That to me is not worth a deductible. That is not worth a deductible to me. I'd be really upset. I would ask him for a couple $100 though. I don't know how I'd get it, but I'd just be like, hey man, just give me like $100. We'll call it a day. Nobody has to call insurance. Nobody has to do nothing. All right, here we go. Red. So uncommon. You know, why are they slowing down? Yeah. Panic broke. You see that? Panic broke. So the back view. Yep, it's down. Look, you see the skid? You see the skid? Look at that. That's all it was. He slammed the brakes right here, slid while the bike is starting to fall down. That's what happened there. So when you lock up your brakes, you just slide and lose traction. So skidding is not slowing down, it's falling down. So why did we do that? Let's take a look. We're too close. Space cushions, no buenos. Just a quick second looking around, and we're screwed. He's trying to swerve at the same time, right? Look at that. So before applying the brakes, he's gonna swerve and then slam the brakes. Look how much grip he has on those brakes. And then immediately, look at the handlebars just fall down. So it's a panic brake. Now, how do we prevent a panic brake in this situation? Okay, we got a car to our right. We can't swerve right. I don't know if we have a car to our left yet, but here's the thing. If I'm in a position like this, I'm constantly having my 360 situation awareness. I want to look at my mirrors. I'm looking forward. I'm looking to my sides. Okay, where's my escape path? Who's behind me? Nobody's in the left lane behind me, so I know if I swerve left, nobody's gonna be there because I'm going with the flow of traffic. Okay, I'm in orange stage. That means I'm prepped and ready, so I'm just gonna go ahead and maintain as much of a space cushion to my front, to my side, to my other side, to behind me. So I'm planning my ride. I'm locating hazards. Do I need to adapt to anything? Is there anything in the road? Okay, nothing. Now what's happening here? We got a red. Okay, it's gonna grab my attention. What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? I'm getting closer. We got a rail right here, so I'm just gonna go ahead and switch lanes already. This car right here doesn't have any lights. This car has brake lights. I'm just gonna switch lanes. But I already know I can. We're gonna do a head check like this. We're gonna check our mirrors right here. But I already did that prior because I'm in a weird situation. I want to make sure I am constantly aware of my 360 situational awareness and space and orienting myself. But just a little bit like that causes that. Move over. Part of the plan is position yourself for safety. That's the point. It's one thing to locate these hazards and do something about them, but if you're in this position, there's not much you can do. So you have to position yourself originally for safety. So we're gonna dump the bike. We lost traction, and there's the skid mark. You see it right at the top. The skid mark. Look at that. There's the skid mark. Didn't stop in time. There it is right there again. All right, let's move on. Nothing. All right, so his phone fell off because he's using a RAM mount. Oh! I just see that door hitting like your hand. Like the door opens and boom, splits your hand open. That's all I can think of. I don't know why. People don't look before exiting their vehicle. I swear they don't. So this is just one of those hazards that you have when it comes to lane filtering. Not much you can do. We're going 12. You see the crack in the door open. Let's see if he has time to react. Look at his right hand. Nothing. 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 No time to react. He might have perceived it, and he's thinking, and his body is starting to move towards the reaction. Boom, already done. So, ram mount, no pun. Pun intended. Ram. Okay. No time to react. That's an issue with lane filtering, so we need to go slow. He was going slow. But what is the hazard that we have in this situation? We're passing on the right where people get out. So, watch out. Watch out for that. Real quick, I'd like to say thank you to Cardo for sponsoring this channel. I'm actually using their cool little headset thingy thing so I can talk to my kids on their Cardo Pack Talks. Make sure you guys grab yourself a Cardo Pack Talk. Bold, slim, free-com, whatever you want. With the link in the description, you're going to get a discount. Anyways, let's get back. Riding over here. Side of the vehicle, lots of stuff on the road. Okay, side of the vehicle, no problem. That's a non-issue. Don't tell me we're going to cause shit.
Are you blind? What? You didn't see me? You could have killed me right now. And you're on camera, so don't with me. Don't. I'm gonna give it to cops.
We're gonna call the cops for that. We're gonna call the cops for that. Let's see what happened, everybody. He wasn't even in frame. Not even in frame. What do you guys think? Was this dumb? I don't even know. There's nothing I have to say about this. We're now in a dangerous spot, just sitting in the middle of the road arguing with the Dodge Ram. There we go. Moving through here, lane filtering. We're gonna. Oh, did we panic brake again? So we got cut off a little bit.
It's not sorry. Look where I am. No, you need to look.
So here's the thing. Did he do something illegal? Write it in the comments if the car driver did something illegal by making a turn into that spot.
No, it's not. Thank you very much.
Did he make an illegal turn into this spot right here? So he's going to the right. Was that illegal? I see the hash marks on the lane. I don't think it is, but I could be wrong. It's not my country. What I see specifically is that we're lane filtering on the right. We have opportunities to get hit. It's illegal. Everyone's saying illegal. Okay. So we didn't anticipate that. If we assume it's illegal, we're not anticipating it. Does it kind of sound like car drivers not anticipating a motorcycle rider hauling ass down the street going 100 in a 45 because it's illegal and they just, turned left in front of them thinking that they were far away and then we hit them? You see how we don't anticipate things when they're illegal because we assume people aren't going to do them? We can't assume anymore, everybody. We can't assume that car drivers are going to see us when we're illegally driving or speeding. And we can't assume that car drivers will not do illegal things either. So what can we assume? What do we know? What's the solid facts here? Lane filtering in this position, we have a possible path to travel violation. When we have an opening over here on the right, that's an intersection. So you have to have that in the back of your mind. You need to know how to apply progressive brake pressure. You need to know how to swerve. But when we see this, as soon as this person comes out, right? We fell down and we didn't hit anything. We didn't hit him. Because if we hit him, the car, look at the car, the passenger door would have been dented. Or I'm sorry, not the passenger, the driver door would have been dented. There's nothing. We fell down because we panic broke. If we just did progressive brake pressure, yeah, the person's going to come out in front of us. Yes, it's going to be stupid. Yes, it's going to be illegal. Yes, we can go ahead and yell at them and do whatever we want, but we need to stop in the first place. We need to be able to stop and not fall down. This isn't stopping. This isn't the I had to layer down crap. Stop doing that. Just do progressive brake pressure. Understand lane filtering has factors involved where it's dangerous, So understand where your skate paths are, understand where your space cushions are, understand that people like this are dumb and will do stuff like this. There's an indicator right there. Yes, they shouldn't have done that, but we had plenty of time to apply the brakes because we were going slow enough. All right, let's move on. Guys, if you like this kind of stuff, we do this every Tuesday and Thursday on this channel at 3 p.m. Mountain Standard Time live. So make sure you check that out. But if you want to check out some other things like this video right here or this video right here, please do so. It supports the channel. Click that like button, by the way. Check into class. Anyways, I'll be seeing you around.